Every industry faces its own unique cleaning challenges. Whether it's grease buildup in automotive shops or strict contamination standards in food processing, these problems can cost you time, money, and even your reputation. But the good news is that the L2P Dry Ice Blaster will simplify even the toughest cleaning jobs. Fast, safe, and whenever you need it. In the automotive world, grease, oil, and road tar can be a major headache. Using harsh chemicals or abrasive methods can damage paint and sensitive wiring, dragging out repair times and driving up costs. The L2P can remove grime and rust without harming sensitive components. It generates its own dry ice from liquid CO2 on demand when you pull the trigger. Clean for 5 minutes or 5 hours. But it's not just paint and metal that can benefit from this gentle yet powerful approach. When you look at high-end electronics and circuit boards, they can't be exposed to water or harsh chemicals either. Yet dust, dirt, and oxidation still happen. For delicate tech equipment, dry ice blasting with the L2P leaves no moisture or residue behind, avoiding corrosion and allowing a thorough clean. Of course, electronics are just the start. In broader manufacturing settings, you're dealing with conveyor belts, machine parts, and assembly lines that can come in all shapes, sizes, and materials. Traditional cleaning methods in manufacturing often mean lengthy shutdowns, dismantling equipment, and endless scrubbing. The L2P shortens that process dramatically. With on-demand dry ice, you simply blast away the dirt without damaging surfaces or leaving secondary waste to clean up, keeping productivity high. But sometimes, surfaces are more than just complex. They're incredibly delicate. For plastic injection molding, even a minor abrasion can lead to major part defects and very expensive mold repairs. Dry ice blasting is gentle enough to remove release agents and residue without scratching or pitting mold surfaces. And because the L2P makes its own dry ice pellets, you're never at the mercy of external suppliers. You're always ready to clean, on demand. Now, on the other end of the spectrum, you've got oil rigs, pipelines, and heavy machinery. Environments where grime and buildup are measured in inches, not millimeters. Using high-pressure water or chemical solvents on heavy equipment can lead to corrosion or environmental hazards. But the L2P Dry Ice Blaster cuts through grease, asphalt, and more without introducing moisture or toxins. You can even handle remote jobs where hauling water isn't practical. But not every cleaning challenge is about removing stubborn grit. Sometimes it's about keeping a clean, contaminant-free surface, like in food and beverage production. In the food industry, introducing water or chemical cleaners can pose serious contamination risks. Dry ice blasting with the L2P is USDA-approved for contact surfaces, leaves behind no secondary waste, and won't cause bacterial growth. You get a fast, efficient clean that upholds strict safety standards. So whether you're cleaning automotive parts, sensitive electronics, massive industrial machinery, or food processing equipment, the L2P delivers one versatile solution. It produces its own dry ice on demand when you pull the trigger. Clean for 5 minutes or 5 hours. So if you're looking for a faster, safer way to tackle any cleaning challenge, the L2P Dry Ice Blaster is your answer. Cut downtime, protect your equipment, and make the unplannable plannable. Contact us today for more information or to schedule a live demonstration. Surpass your expectations with Surpass Industrial.